The Fall of Phaeton, or How the Milky Way was made according to Greco-Roman mythology.
In the ancient world, both the Romans and the Greeks had stories starring gods, goddesses, heroes, and monsters. A lot of these stories or myths were about how the Romans and Greeks thought the universe worked. They believed the gods and the goddesses were responsible for everything: the sun, good harvests, and even wine. Let's hear about one of their myths, the Fall of Phaeton.
The Romans and the Greeks believed that a sun god carried the sun across the sky every day in a chariot pulled by 4 horses. This sun god was called Sol, or Helios to the Greeks. Sol had a mortal son called Phaeton. People didn't believe Phaeton when he said his father was the sun god, so they teased him. Sol promised he would do whatever Phaeton wanted to help him prove to everyone that he was his son. Phaeton asked if he could drive Sol's chariot so he could prove that he was his son by carrying the sun through the sky just like his dad. Sol knew he wouldn't be able to drive the chariot, but he had promised to do whatever Phaeton asked. So he handed him the reins and let him drive. Just as Sol thought, Phaeton couldn't control the chariot and shot up into the sky. The trail he left created the Milky Way. Jupiter, the king of the gods, threw a lightning bolt at the chariot so it couldn't do any more damage to the sky. Phaeton then crashed to Earth, scorching parts of the land. The Romans and the Greeks believed this was how the deserts were created.
Roman and Greek children would have grown up learning stories like these. They were important because they were part of their religion and they helped people understand how the world around them worked. Can you think of any stories or myths you grew up hearing? Do we still rely on these myths to explain how the world works? Want to find out more about the Romans? Take a closer look at our resources on our website. There you can find videos, quizzes, ebooks, and even virtual workshops.